Alright everybody, quick update. I went ahead and put everything together for the most part. The only thing I'm still missing is my header, but because I was running a wideband with a Bosch, I think it's LSU 4.9 sensor, I was able to just plug my old sensor in and it works with the Haltech system until I can get my custom exhaust. Currently waiting on a bass tune from Jarbles still. We have, I can show you, we have power. You can hear the fuel pump, or could hear it. The dash lights up. Obviously I haven't been able to start it, but that all works. We also got, custom bracket I made for the Haltech, along with the custom dash mount, which you can actually see there. Another view of the ECU with the wideband controller tucked up in there. Made a custom bracket for my new fuse panel. So that's what I've been up to for the most part. I also got to playing with this thing over here. Reset the valve lash on it. Gave her an oil change. Sounds much better. I did have to change the head gasket. There's a video on that. Me and Steve did that one evening. And this became an experimental car to the max. But I'm going to learn to tune on this thing. It runs much better. That's what I've been up to though. Things are starting to come along around here. So that's pretty well what I've been up to lately. I hope to get my base map soon. That way I can get this thing to purge the cooling system, make sure everything's good. It's at least tunable. Starting to look pretty sweet. Almost looks like a real race car. Coil unplugged finally. Got my T1 cam trigger in there with the gear looking all sweet. One of these days I'll do a video on this whole car and all the things done to it. But that's about where I'm at on projects. Just a little lull in things while I'm waiting on parts. We'll try to stay active, stay busy, and keep you guys entertained. I hope you all have a good night, and like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me on my channel.